Alright, so we're going to be talking about volume, and it's not about how loud something is. In math, it's about the amount of space an object takes up. So we have this prism, and we have to find the volume of this prism. And what we're going to be doing for that is I'm going to teach you two different ways to find the volume of this. The first way is called layering, and this concept is actually super duper easy. Sorry, I just made a little mess right here, so I just wanted to fix it. So what we're going to be doing is we're just going to be looking at the top layer. I'm not going to worry about the bottom layers yet, just the top. And I'm going to count how many cubes are in the top layer. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So I have 6 cubes in the top layer. Therefore, there's going to be 6 cubes in this layer, 6 cubes in this layer, and 6 cubes in the base layer. I know that some of you might be like, well, I only see like 5 cubes. Well, you can't just say that you see 5 cubes. There's cubes behind as well. So now all you have to do is use repeated addition. And I'm going to do 6 plus 6, which is 12. 12 plus 6 is 18, and 18 plus 6 is 24. So I just added up all of those layers, and I got 24 cubic units. Now it's super important that you label cubic units because that indicates volume. You might also see like inches cubed or centimeters cubed as a label for volume, and that is just saying that each of these cubes are in either inches or centimeters. But if they don't tell you if it's an inch or a centimeter, you can just write cubic units, some sort of unit. If you didn't want to add and you knew that there were 6 cubes and 4 layers of 6, so it's 6 cubes with 4 layers, I could have just done 6 times 4 to get 24 cubic units as well. It just depends on what your preference is. If you prefer to add, you could have add. If you prefer to multiply, just multiply. So the other way to solve this problem is by using the volume formula. And volume is length times width times height. What I like to do is I like to first label L, W, and H for length, width, and height. So this right here is my L, that's my length. This is my width, it's how wide the prism is. And this is my height, how tall it is. And all you simply have to do is just count how many cubes make up the length, make up the width, and make up the height. So let's see. 1, 2, 3 cubes are for the length. 1, 2 is for the width. And 1, 2, 3, 4 is your height. So I like to rewrite this, and I go volume equals. And I kind of just fill in the blanks. It's very helpful for me in case I forget what to do. So my length is 3 cubes. My width is 2 cubes. And my height is 4 cubes. You just multiply. So 3 times 2 is 6. 6 times 4, you're going to get 24 cubic units. So the volume of this prism is 24 cubic units.